Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country, and you've joined me here today at this stunning 4-bedroom barn conversion with 1-bedroom annex in the delightful hamlet of Hill Wootton, just a short drive from Leamington. Let's take a look inside. One of the fantastic benefits of this beautiful property is this wonderful 1-bedroom annex. Perfectly located, red brick barn is only 5 minutes from Leamington and 5 minutes from Warwick, so it's a great income producer as well. Alternatively, it's perfect for visiting family and friends. Occupying a plot of almost an acre, property benefits from a ground source heat pump, which makes it extremely economical to run. You've joined me outside in the amazing grounds of this beautiful property, where we've got a refurbished all-weather tennis court, beautiful gardens, amazing views, and of course the playground for the kids. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.